You'll be alright.
Oh my god! Okay.
Okay. It's fun, right? Baby, say hi. Look at Nani.
Yeah, no, keep it on no.
Alright,
Oh
see?
shit, I
Yeah?
can't even look out. I can't look downstairs. But like, just look at the beautiful
Yeah, see? This is a good building.
building.
Yeah.
Noni, they're gonna let go of that, and then we're just gonna...
No! Look,
Look at that.
it looks so pretty.
It is.
We should go bungee jumping.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my god.
This is already like...
Yeah.
South Africa and I wanna go.
Yeah, bungee jumping over there? I don't know, South Africa is kind of like, I'm not really... Look at this. This is we call Nefi Pierce, right?
Yeah. It's that Ferris wheel. We go to a lot of high places today.
Yeah.
This is what you need to put on me when you don't want me to come near you. This one? It's like a leash.
That's the Willis Tower.
Guys, I don't want to move. I left alone.
Oh Lord.
Oh my god.
So we should thank to Reda to give us the information about this air balloon.
Yeah.
So this is not it's not a sea, right? It's a lake.
This
Yeah.
part, this is the Michigan Lake, yes.
Michigan Lake, right?
This is lovely.
So you okay now?
Yeah, I'm calmer now.
Calmer. When we're going down, maybe.
Oh, don't even think of